Well, here's an icon that we've all seen many times. Well, if you own Apple products, you may not have seen this logo quite as much. This is the Android operating system logo. It's not really complicated. A pencil and some green is what you're going to need. But let's see if we can capture the right dimensions and peculiar little stare that he has.
I am starting to draw now. Please join me.
You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Let's add some color to this drawing now. We'll speed up the video. Pause or reduce the speed if you need to. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.